Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to add a card now. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch meets requirements and you're signed into iCloud. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign. You'll choose debit or credit, then use your camera to scan the card or enter numbers manually. You'll see prompts to confirm your billing address, confirm or edit them. Once done, you'll be asked to accept terms, accept to push the info to your bank for verification so the next step can finish. Once your card is submitted, your bank will verify it. You'll usually get an SMS code, email, or an in-app confirmation. Enter the code in Wallet, or follow the bank's link back to Apple for automatic verification. After verification, set this card as your default if you want it used automatically, and choose features like Express Transit or double-click side button for quick access. Make sure the billing address and contact info are correct, because mismatches can block use at checkout. To pay, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when prompted. If a transaction is declined, first check you have network access and the card status in Wallet. Sometimes banks flag new tokens. Make sure NFC is enabled and Wallet has permission. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card after contacting your bank. Provide the token or card, last 4 digits when you call, so they can
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.